In this video, we will learn how we can add music or audio file in Canva. Now this works in videos. You can't do this in images, of course. And to be able to use it, you don't need a Canva Pro membership. It works in a free version as well, but there are some limitations which we'll discuss later on. Now let's say I'm creating a shorts. So create a design, write shorts, and this works in all kinds of videos, whether it's shorts, reels, or YouTube videos or whatever. You need to have a video, right? So let's say I'm just selecting this a pre-made template. Now whenever you select a pre-made templates, you don't get the audio track. Now to add an audio track, you can either select one of the Canva stock audios, or you can upload your own audios by clicking over here and then click on audios. Now you don't need to go audios and then upload. Once you just click on upload, or if you just directly upload on this canvas, the audio will be uploaded, but that will just show up over here in this audio section. So these all audios are the ones that I have created and uploaded, or whether I've uploaded from the third-party source, because in Canva you don't get a lot of audios that maybe you want. So that's the way of uploading audio. So let's say I'm just using this vocal of 4 seconds. Okay, let's say this is 5 seconds. If I want to add it, just select, drag and drop. So this is the track 1, right? You can trim, you can move it, or you can decrease or increase the size, the volume, like this. And also you can add audio effects. Audio effects are very basics: fade in and fade out. Fade in, fade out is basically when you try to fade in, the audio gradually increases, and when you fade out, the audio gradually decreases at some point of time. So this is very common effect used in video editing. Now how to add the background music? Let's say this is the vocal.
And check pinned comment for more videos and visit your dedicated.
Okay, so this is kind of vocal that I've been using in different projects. Now let's say I want to add a background music. So to add a background music, you can use the stock audio from the Canva, or else you can add a third-party audio. I'll try to add a stock audio. Let's search for happy music. Then you have to click on this audio. Now here you get a lot of stock audios. If you want to try and then use it, just click on this. So when you click here, you can play, right? Let's say this. Okay, now if you have the free membership, you get access to very few, probably 1 or 2 or 3 audios only. But when you have pro membership, you get access to a lot of audios. I mean all. Okay, so let's say I'm just using this free one. Do the same thing, select, drag and drop here. Now this is audio 2 and audio 3. Now you can change, you can do pretty much every settings that you were able to do here. I'll decrease the volume like this, and let's play.
Captivateassistant.com to hire a virtual.
Right? So this way, guys, you can add audio or vocals or any kind of MP3 format file in Canva when you're editing a video. Hope you really like this video. If you like this video, please make sure you have subscribed to the channel and press the bell icon. And if you want to see more such Canva tutorials, you can check the link in the description. Thank you.